Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we need to talk about passive income because honestly, the way it's sold online is basically a lie. You've seen the ads. Some guy in front of a rented Ferrari telling you he makes $10,000 a month while he sleeps. Just buy his course, follow his secret system, and you'll be financially free by next Tuesday. Here's what they don't tell you. Real passive income isn't passive at first. It's actually the opposite. You work incredibly hard up front, either investing your time or your money, and then, maybe months or years later, you start seeing returns. Think of it like planting a tree. You don't plant an apple seed today and eat an apple tomorrow. You dig, you water, you wait, then you eat. So in this video, I'm breaking down 4 real passive income streams, the ones that actually work, and showing you exactly what each one costs up front. No fluff, no scams, just the truth. Let's get into it. All right, method number 1, content creation. This is things like YouTube ad revenue, blogging with display ads, or even podcasting with sponsorships. Here's the deal. You're building a digital asset. Every video you upload, every article you write, it lives on the internet, and it can keep making you money years after you publish it. For example, I've got videos on this channel from 2 years ago that still get views every single day, and every view generates a tiny bit of ad revenue. I'm not actively doing anything for those videos anymore, but they're still working for me. That's the magic. The money you earn today is often from work you did months or years ago. But here's the catch, and this is huge. It takes time, like a lot of time. You're not making $1,000 your first month. You might not make $100 your first year. You have to show up consistently, create valuable content, and let the algorithm or search engines do their thing. This method costs you time, not money. If you're willing to put in the hours now for a potential payoff later, this one's for you. But if you're looking for quick cash, keep scrolling. Method number 2, affiliate marketing. This is where you earn a commission by recommending products or services. Someone clicks your link, buys something, and you get a percentage. Simple. A lot of YouTubers and bloggers do this. You've probably heard someone say, link in the description, right? That's usually an affiliate link. Now, here's where most people screw this up. They see a product that pays a huge commission, like $500 per sale, and they start promoting it even though they've never used it. Maybe it's some sketchy course or a product they know is garbage. And yeah, they might make a quick buck, but you know what they lose? Trust. And trust is everything. Once your audience realizes you're just shilling random stuff for a paycheck, they're gone. Unsubscribe, never coming back. So, here's my rule. Only promote what you actually use. For me, that's like my budgeting app, the investing platform I actually have money in, or the tech I use to make these videos. I use them, I believe in them, so I recommend them. The upfront investment here? Trust. You have to build an audience that believes what you say, and that takes time and honesty. If you're willing to play the long game and stay authentic, affiliate income can be incredibly powerful. But if you're chasing commissions on junk, you're building a house of cards. All right, method 3, dividend stocks. This one's different because it requires money up front. So what are dividends? Basically, when you buy stock in a company, let's say Pepsi, you own a tiny piece of that company. And some companies pay their shareholders a chunk of their profits every quarter. That's a dividend. You literally get paid just for holding the stock. You don't have to sell it. You don't have to do anything. The money just shows up in your account. This is how wealthy people stay wealthy. They live off the dividends without ever touching the principal. Now, here's the reality check. You need a lot of money to make this meaningful. If you invest $10,000 in a stock with a 3% dividend yield, you're getting $300 a year. That's $25 a month. Nice, but it's not paying your rent. But if you invest $500,000, that's $15,000 a year. Now we're talking. So this method is a long game. You start small, you reinvest your dividends, and over decades it compounds. It's not sexy, it's not fast, but it's one of the most proven wealth-building strategies out there. The upfront investment? Capital. If you've got money to invest, this is a no-brainer. If you're just starting out, this is your goal, not your starting point.
Okay, last one. High-yield savings accounts. This is the easiest, lowest-risk entry point into passive income. Basically, you park your cash in a savings account that pays you interest. Right now, some online banks are offering 4 to 5% APY. That's way better than the 0.01% you get at a traditional bank. Let's say you've got $5,000 sitting in a high-yield account at 5%. That's $250 a year, or about $20 a month. That's your phone bill, or a couple of pizzas, and you did literally nothing for it. Now, is this going to make you rich? No, but it's a hell of a lot better than letting your money lose value to inflation. And it's risk-free. Your money's insured, you can access it anytime. The upfront investment? Zero. You're just moving money you already have into a better spot. If you're not doing this already, honestly, you're leaving free money on the table. This is the absolute easiest place to start. All right, so let's wrap this up. Passive income is real, but it's not magic, it's not free, and it's definitely not what the guy in the Lamborghini is selling you. Real passive income comes from one of four things: investing your time, earning trust, deploying wealth, or playing it safe. And here's the thing, you don't have to do all four. In fact, I'd argue you shouldn't try to do all four at once. That's how you burn out. Pick one, just one, the one that fits your life right now. If you've got time but no money, start creating content. If you've got money but no time, buy dividend stocks or park cash in a high-yield account. If you've got an audience, explore affiliate marketing, but do it with integrity. The goal isn't to work harder, it's to work smarter. Build systems today that pay you tomorrow. Plant the seeds now so you can harvest later. So that's it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. It actually helps more people find this video. And if you're serious about building wealth the right way, subscribe. I post videos like this every week. Drop a comment and let me know, which passive income stream are you going to start building first? I read every single one.